always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, already a very active start to the season as far as the hurricanes are concerned. That's being driven by some warm ocean waters. As you can see, there is Hurricane Beryl, the earliest Category 5 storm to form, as that continues to shift just to the south of Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic, and could take a swipe at Jamaica in the coming days. So that's something that we'll continue to watch. Currently a Category 5 storm. It looks like that'll weaken just a little bit as it continues to advance further west at about 20 miles per hour. The central pressure on that storm now at 938 millibars. So certainly packing a punch and could leave some devastation in areas. We will have some occasional showers close to home today. Nothing near that magnitude, though. Heaviest rain is favored to occur north of I-96. It's going to be a little bit warmer as we get closer to the 4th of July, with some more rain and thunderstorm chances in the cards for us. There's the view in Grand Rapids right now, where we've had mostly cloudy skies today. Our current temperature reported at 73 degrees. It is gradually going to become more humid, with winds now from the south-southeast at 14 miles per hour. There's a look at Storm Track Live. You can see that we have some showers continuing to be ushered in from west to east right now, and the wettest spots are currently north of I-96 and Grand Rapids. You can see that Muskegon is currently receiving a good soaking. Big Rapids, Whitehall also receiving some rain, along with Ludington. So again, that looks to be the focal point for the showers today. And as we get into the afternoon, we'll have a growing chance of rain as we approach Grand Rapids. So we will continue to watch that as well. If you're heading to the beach today, well, as you head further north, not great conditions. You can see that we have a beach hazard statement there up toward Ludington, and that's also where the wave heights are going to be at their greatest, between 3 and 5 feet. And meanwhile, further south, it looks like conditions will be better as you're approaching Saugatuck and South Haven, also with some warmer lake waters. There's a look at our current temperatures now: 60s and 70s, 74 in Hastings, 73 Grand Rapids, 69 in Muskegon. So it remains relatively mild by July conditions, and we also have our dew points in the 50s now. Again, those are going to be climbing up into the 60s later today, as we have the wind from the south-southeast between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at Futurecast then. It shows that we will have some more showers form as we enter the afternoon. Again, mainly points north of I-96 and Grand Rapids have the greatest shot at showers today. There could be a rumble of thunder, especially as we approach the evening here, pausing the clock at 8 p.m. Just enough energy to be able to bring together some storms, but nothing severe is anticipated. Still a carryover of some showers into the morning on Wednesday, and then it looks like tomorrow afternoon we should dry things out some, and we'll also see some periods of sunshine later in the day on Wednesday, so some nice conditions there. Precipitation amounts look to vary between 1/10 of an inch and 1/2 an inch, with the heaviest totals favored further north, about 4/10 of an inch in Fremont, 1/4 of an inch in Big Rapids. The situation continues to improve in regards to the 4th of July coming up on Thursday, with a high in the mid-80s. We'll have partly cloudy skies, and it looks to be warm as that rain chance continues to shift further south of I-94. So things are continuing to look better for launching off fireworks. There's a look at the 8-day forecast, cooling off a touch into the weekend, upper 70s on Saturday, and several more rain chances. Emily and Sue.